Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey guys, Sue here at 1A Auto, and we have our 2013 Camry, and we're going to reset that maintenance light that comes on every time you need an oil change. It's fairly easy, it's not a big deal. So we have the keyless entry style, so with that, there's also a button up here that does your mileage. So a double click with your foot off the brake brings all the power up, just like an ignition key in the on position, and your odometer is up here. So we're going to click till it says trip A. Now it's on trip A. I'm going to shut that right off. I know it's on trip A. Now I'm going to hold that button down. And now I'm going to do the same thing. Double click, bring the ignition on, and you'll see those dashes. When they get down to the last dash, it resets to 00. Your engine maintenance lights will be off. Bring it back to odometer if you want to. That's where I prefer it. I'll shut it off. Now just for the heck of it, I'll start it up. That maintenance light will go out. And you're ready to go down the road.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.